In front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. After that, tap on this red button at the bottom left corner to start recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, use this right button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, after that my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it and hit play button. In order to rename it, you need to hold it. Choose rename option at the bottom and type in wherever you wish to. Then hit OK. In order to get rid of your recording completely, hold it again, but this time tap on delete option at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!